Lot number 112 is a 2008 MAG International mini truck. This one turns over but does not start. I even tried starting fluid and it still didn't start. If I had to take a guess, I'd say it has no spark. Let me show you. It's a cool little mini truck. It's a shame it didn't start. Here we go. I sprayed it with starting fluid and it does exactly the same thing. It appears to have no spark. Motor turns over and appears to be complete. Let me open this side. This little thing is equipped with air conditioning. It's got an AC compressor. I don't know if it works or not, but it's equipped with it. The interior shows wear and tear, but overall, it looks good. The seats are not torn. The door panels are, both doors have broken door handles. The passenger door doesn't open at all. The door handle is broken on the inside and on the outside. The dashboard had something melt on there and it shows plenty of wear. It's faded from the sun. But overall, this little thing is it's in one piece. The miles, it doesn't work. It doesn't say anything. I wish I knew how many miles. But the tachometer don't work. There's the controls for the AC. It's got a radio. The headliner's hanging. Same deal with the driver's side. It's missing the door handle. But if you pull the wire real hard, you can get out. It's got the mirror. The decals were scraped off with it appears a wire brush and it's causing surface rust. The tires look fair. They got plenty of meat on them, but I don't know how old they are, how long it's been sitting, but they do hold air. The body looks good. It's got normal wear and tear, little dings and dents all around, but I don't see any major damage anywhere. Here's the passenger side. That door does not open. It's got a broken handle inside and outside. I saw a little bit of rust down here. That's probably the worst rust I've seen. The rest just shows surface rust. The bed looks solid. I knew it. This is what they took off the decals with. Wire brush. All right, so the body looks good. Let me give you a peek of the bottom. It looks good. Shows normal surface rust, wear and tear. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's a cool little project if you got any use for it. I do believe this is a street legal vehicle. Has AC and all. Broken door handle. If you pull the wire, it'll let you in. All right, it's lot number 112. Good luck.